try blinking?
No,
Oh, hey, Kevin. Hey, what's wrong with you?
Nothing, I'm fine. I just got a headache.
I mean, did you eat breakfast?
Nah, I was in a rush to leave out, so I didn't get a chance.
Oh, well, if you're hungry, I got snacks in my bag if you want some.
I appreciate it, but nah, I think I'll be fine. It's just 3 more hours until lunch anyway.
All right, don't say I didn't know. All right, my beautiful students. Today's your favorite time of the month, test day. Oh, we're going to get started early today. Y'all tests is already on your desk. When I say start, you may flip them over and begin. What the hell are you doing? I say start. Start. You said start. Oh, we starting it? Mm-hmm. No! What are y'all doing?
So no?
Until I say the word, I don't want to hear any talking or noise of any kind. If I hear anything besides those pencils and that paper, we're going to have a problem. Obviously, I'm not in the mood for it today. Do we got that clear? I said, do we got that clear? Yes, whatever. All right, we all begin. So do we start it? Oh, yeah. Start. There it is. Ah, that's what we was waiting for. Sorry, you're going to have to keep it down. I'm trying to do the test, and you're going to be very inconsiderate right now. Yeah, I think I'll take those snacks now. Too late. Already gave them to Gina.
Oh my god.
Okay, making these noises. Don't let me find out who it is. I know y'all know, but y'all not telling me. I said no noises. I meant no noises. So don't let me find out who the culprit is. Okay, well, it must have stopped. Okay, well, everybody's about to go. Okay, who is it? Steven? Whoa, don't forget me. I've been sitting for Kevin this entire time, and I got 100% say. It can't be him. Well, what do you have to say about this, Kevin? To be honest, I think it's Ryan. I think it's Gina, to be honest with you. You're not gonna agree on that. Yeah, she's been kind of serious. Well, Gina, what you got to say about that? Well, I guess that says it. All in favor to kick out Gina? Yeah. All right, then. Now, stay calm as I grab It wasn't me. Don't you let me. I knew it was you. Who are you talking to like that? Oh, are you getting smart with me? Oh, I think you won't. Oh, I'm not playing this game. Okay, so now it's finished. Now, I can finish y'all test with no distractions. Look, y'all only got 20 minutes left in class. Just get y'all test done. For me, please. For yourself.
Bro, you got the hose, but I got